Hello, cheaters.
This is a tutorial on how to use MakeSense.ai to help you train your own AI models.
All you need to do is take a screenshot of a web page, come to MakeSense.ai, click Get Started. Then you can load this screenshot, click Object Detection.
To train this model, we will need labels. You can create a text file with your own labels for the objects you would like to identify. So just type those out in a text file.
Save that file. Import the label list. Create labels and click Start Project. Now all you have to do is highlight everything on the page with the outline here. Every element on the page, whether it's a link or an image, a button, whatever it may be. You can highlight it and then select the tag from the imported labels. And just do that for everything on the page. So once you have highlighted all of the elements on the page, as you can see here, I have done everything, including stuff in the browser window. And the scroll bars on the side, everything. So now we have highlighted all of the elements on this page and tagged them. We will come up to Actions, and we will export annotations. We will export this as a zip package containing files in VOC XML format. So this will generate an XML file with the same title as our image. And what we will want to do is put both this XML file and our screenshot into a folder together. As you can see, I have several here, XML files and screenshot files with the same name. Then you can put all of these together in a folder and then